Trash talk!
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and as you can see, this video is a luxury unboxing, well, unbagging. I never know what to call it, unboxing, unbagging. But yes, it is a luxury bag. I am super excited to share this with you guys. I've wanted this bag, well, this type of bag for a while now. If this is your first time here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also turn on your post notifications so that way when I post a video, you know about it. Go ahead, binge watch some videos, drop some comments, show some love, but let's get into this bag. Now, I want to get into a backstory. I always have a backstory about a bag just because, you know, luxury shopping can be somewhat uncomfortable at times. I had an experience at this, not at this location, but with this company. Simply from appearance, I think sometimes when you don't look the part or you don't walk into a store drenched in labels, sometimes you can get treated, let's just say, unfair, which is so unfair in itself. But it shouldn't matter whether you're spending $100, $50 buying a gift card or spending thousands of dollars. You should still get that same treatment because somebody's coming to purchase something and spend business with you. I never got that. But this encounter at this location was really nice. I knew that it was like 45 minutes away, so I was like, okay, I'm gonna get up early, I'm gonna go drive out there and I'm gonna go look for a bag. I thought about it and I feel so guilty because I don't have a job right now. I've been literally hustling and doing some entrepreneurship type stuff just to get money, but I felt like I deserved this, and it was at a good price. You know, it wasn't at the price that it would normally be, but you know, it was a couple $100 off, and you know, I love a good discount, a good deal. So Big Mama swept in and got it. Yes, I'm so excited. Sorry, let me take a hookah break. I need a hookah hit. By the way, this is, if you're new here, this is a hookah loving channel. Grab a drink, grab some hookah, have a seat, listen to me run my mouth. Look like a tennis ball. Yeah, also, if you haven't seen my video on getting this green hair, go ahead and click the card and go look at it. But I won't hold you guys up. Let's get into the bag and guess where it's from. Who can guess where it's from? Ooh. As you guys know, also, if you've seen my room before, I have designer bags in here for inspiration for when I actually got a bag, and today I got a bag. Oh my god. Ah! In here, who it's from. You think you guys know from just this? Go ahead and guess. Boom! Gucci! Gucci haters, don't come in my post acting crazy now. Just don't do it. Yes, this shopping experience was actually pretty cool. It was a little quiet because I don't think they had music playing. I was the second person to walk in the door. They opened at 11. I was in there at 11:01, ready to shop. It's COVID, so you got to get your temperature checked and everything, and they only allow, I think, 5 people in the store at a time, and there's 3 people working there, so that's enough to manage. I saw one bag that I had intentions to go get, but once I saw this one, I was like, oh my god, I have to get this one instead. It's just so beautiful. It's so me. The strap on the first bag was a little thin, and for me to be spending that amount of money, I didn't want to purchase something that I felt was going to tear easily. So I got a different, bigger bag, pretty much. And yeah, the girl was nice. The guy who helped me was nice. This was a way better shopping experience than I had previously, and I'm super excited that it went well. It was perfect. I was pretty much in and out because I had intentions to do. Plus, I didn't want to reconsider and just waste 45 minutes of driving away to Dawsonville to get a bag. But yeah, this is it. I'm kind of bummed that they didn't have boxes, but oh well. It's brand new. Let's go ahead and open it. Oh my god! Still in the packaging. Got a dust bag. And let's go ahead and open her. Ooh, she is fire! Yes! I feel like Big Mama. Oh my god, it's so... smells so good and new. Brown leather. So I like this color, the traditional Gucci color, just because I knew that if I was eventually to get a pair of slides or sandals, which I plan on getting, that they would match perfectly with this with this bag, and it's just so beautiful. This handle still has the packaging on it. Okay, well, it's unraveling, so I'll go ahead and take it off. So we can start with the strap. Again, this is a thicker strap, which is why I got this one instead. The other strap was half of this. It was half of this and it was leather. So I was a little nervous about that strap. Just knowing who I am, I didn't want to waste money. And obviously this can be adjusted to where you'd like it. You can just take the buckle and go ahead and adjust. I don't like my bags too long. I like it just about like right here. If I were to, you know, I'm standing up now, so it's right here at the hip, which is pretty good. So let's dive inside. Inside here we have, let me fold this back. I don't want to fold it back too much. We have some stuffing. So in the inside, there is, as you can see those, there's two little pockets here. And then we also have Gucci Made in Italy inside of here. Then there's a zip portion. And inside the zip portion, you have your Gucci cards. So these are authenticity cards. And it has different languages, so pretty cool to keep. I also got this from Gucci. So it's a Gucci card. They put your receipt in it. Bam. We have, this is a magnet, so you can go ahead and when you close the bag from up top here, it clips down there, so that way this stays secure and pretty much flaps in and out. I've literally been saving, like when I say saving, I mean like saving coins, like saving change every now and then. My first time saving, I had like $42 worth of quarters, and I literally put it away because I was gonna buy a new camera, but nothing's wrong with my camera now, so I'm just like, I really want to take this bag collecting things seriously. I know it's an investment, so why not go ahead and get the bag that you wanted? And yes, I finally got her. I'm super just happy. I'm grateful that it was in stock. I'm grateful that I got the bag that I want. And you know, hopefully I can really take this unbagging and luxury shopping bag thing seriously, and maybe I can have bigger and better Gucci bags or designer bags for you guys if you like to see that. But yes, this is her. I don't know what I'm gonna name her yet, but it's definitely a her. And she's everything. I'm gonna call her everything. Yeah, her name is Everything. Smells so good. Okay, I'm definitely gonna put her back into the dust bag. Nothing to get on her. I don't know, I may wear it out this weekend. Who knows? It's a really nice bag, and I'm super blessed and happy again that I got it. Well guys, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed my luxury unboxing of my Gucci bag. Let me know in the comments below if you'd like to see more videos like this, if you want to see regular bags. I think I'm going to do a lookbook. Let me know if that's something you guys would like to see. Again, if this was your first time here, go ahead, subscribe to my channel, watch some past videos. You're gonna love it, you're gonna love me, and welcome to the family. And until next time guys, I am out.